Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a look at the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you're tired of manual vacuuming, this model promises a mix of advanced tech, power, and ease, all packed into a sleek, black design. But does it deliver on those promises? Let's find out. The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 combines two powerful functions in one device: vacuuming and mopping, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. The vacuum features a strong 25,000 pH suction power, which is substantial in terms of picking up dirt, dust, and even pet hair. With 5 adjustable suction levels, you can customize the power depending on the type of floor you're cleaning, whether it's hard floors or carpets. This kind of flexibility is crucial, especially if you have a mix of floor types at home. It also boasts a self-cleaning dock, which eliminates much of the hassle that comes with robot vacuums, particularly when it comes to maintenance. One standout feature of the L40 Ultra Gen 2 is its extendable side brush and mop, designed to reach those hard-to-get corners and areas under furniture. It's great for getting into spaces where other vacuums often miss. The mop also lifts 0.41 inches off the floor to avoid carpet damage during its cleaning process, offering an extra layer of protection for your rugs while still effectively cleaning hard surfaces. In terms of battery life, you're looking at up to 231 minutes of cleaning time in its quiet mode, which covers approximately 160.79 square feet. The robot's large 5,200 mAh battery offers longer cleaning sessions without frequent recharges. The bonus here is that it also supports off-peak charging, helping you save on electricity costs. Now let's talk about its navigation system. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 is equipped with the Smart Pathfinder and 3D Adapt technologies, which map out your home for precision cleaning. It can avoid obstacles like shoes or furniture, ensuring it doesn't get stuck while navigating around your space. The vacuum's mapping abilities are solid, and with these features, it's more likely to clean your space thoroughly without missing spots or causing headaches. With pet owners in mind, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 helps keep your home clean with less manual effort. Its powerful suction and efficient cleaning modes make it great for removing pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. Plus, the self-cleaning dock makes maintenance less of a chore, meaning you'll spend less time emptying the dustbin and more time relaxing. As for noise levels, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 operates in a relatively quiet mode, especially during the longer cleaning sessions. In fact, the quiet mode helps extend battery life, providing a good balance between performance and peace. But let's get into the real-world testing of this device. Setting it up is a breeze, especially with the app and voice control options. If you prefer, you can link the vacuum to Alexa, Google Home, or Siri, making it incredibly easy to control with simple voice commands. The app itself is intuitive, offering controls for scheduling cleaning times, adjusting suction power, and even setting specific areas for cleaning. When put to the test on fine dust and crumbs on hard floors, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 delivered impressive results, picking up everything with ease. On carpets, it handled embedded dirt and pet hair with the boost suction setting, and the brush and mop combo was particularly effective in picking up debris along edges and corners. It cleans stairs and upholstery effortlessly, thanks to its well-designed attachments. However, no vacuum is perfect, and the L40 Ultra Gen 2 does have a few drawbacks. The most notable one is the need to purchase an additional automatic filling module if you want to make use of the self-cleaning solution filling feature. While not a deal breaker, it's a little inconvenient if you were expecting everything to be included in the package. Now, when it comes to value for money, the L40 Ultra Gen 2 positions itself as a premium option. For its price, it offers a lot of features, especially for pet owners or people who want a powerful yet low-maintenance cleaning solution. However, you might find cheaper models that also offer solid suction power and basic mopping capabilities if you're on a tighter budget. In terms of comparisons, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 competes well with other high-end robot vacuums, such as the Roborock S7 or the Ecovacs D-Bot X1. The L40 Ultra Gen 2's extended mop lift feature and the all-in-one self-cleaning dock set it apart, though the Roborock S7 might offer slightly better app customization and navigation accuracy. In terms of build quality, the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 feels robust, and its materials are durable. The self-cleaning dock is a well-thought-out addition though. As mentioned, it does require the additional module for the automatic solution filling. Its maintenance is easy enough, and the dustbin is simple to empty. The mop pad can be cleaned without much effort, and the brush roll doesn't seem to tangle with pet hair or long hair, which is a nice bonus. As for longevity, DREAME has built a solid reputation for making reliable products. The battery should last for years with normal use, but like most robot vacuums, you'll want to clean the brush roll and filter regularly to keep it in top shape. Customer support for DREAME has generally been good, with prompt responses for warranty or general queries, though as with any brand, experiences may vary. So who is this vacuum best for? The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 is ideal for people who want a powerful robot vacuum that does more than just sweep the floors. It's particularly great for pet owners, people with mixed floor types, and those who want to reduce their cleaning time without compromising on performance. It's a bit on the pricier side, but the combination of strong suction, long battery life, and self-cleaning features make it worth considering if you're looking for a top-tier robot vacuum. Thanks for watching Reviews Inside TV. If you want to check out the product, the link will be in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with the DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2. Until next time, may your floors always be clean and your tech always be smart.